Hello, friends. This is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped in. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now, you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that subscribe button and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the notification bell. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now, today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration, and the title of this collaboration is Upscale Jar or Bottle Collab, and it's hosted by 3 YouTubers: Keisha at Sweet Urban Rose, Carrie at Mama Dares to DIY, and Shakina at Terrariums and Crafts. Now, if you have not heard of these ladies' channels, I will have a link to their channels along with a playlist when it becomes available down below in the description box. Now, they ask you to follow the proper protocol for collaborations, and that information will be down below in the description. Now, all they asked us to do in this challenge was basically to use a jar or a bottle to create anything with it. So I got a jar, and I'm going to do a very simple upscale. So if you're interested in seeing what I did with this collaboration, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, let's get started. Now, here is the mason jar lantern I have that I'm going to be using. And I'll be using 1 candle and a piece of, I want to say, jute off a package, recycle. And then I got 2 bags of different shells from the Dollar Tree. And I also purchased, well, in my stash, I had 2 bags of the white sand from the Dollar Tree. And these are all the items that I will be using for this collaboration. Now, I'm doing it very, very simple. I'm not one of those amazing DIYers. That's not Stephanie. I do the little that I can do. So I'm going to stop babbling, and I pulled out a half a bag or a portion of a bag that I already had open. So I'm going to use that one first and go on with the rest. So I'm going to be quiet, let you watch me, and I'll be back at the end. And never stop exploring. There's always something new on that very last screen. Now here is your finished product. As I said, very simple. I had did one already, so I'm putting them both so you can see them. Very pretty, very simple, very beachy, and I hope you enjoyed this very short video. You be blessed.